Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to grind perfect idli and dosa batter. I am going to share some tips and tricks to make soft idlis and crispy dosas in this video. Originating from southern India, idlis and dosas have always been the comfort food. And they are the most healthiest protein packed food for breakfast for South Indians. I have already posted videos on how to make idlis and dosas, so you can check out those videos also. To make idlis, I use idli rice, and to make dosas, I use long grain rice. Let's learn how to make the batter now. We need 4 cups of rice, 1 cup of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of methi seeds. Methi seeds are optional to use. Please use idli rice to make idlis and long grain rice to make dosas. And use whole urad dal for both. I am going to use a grinder today to grind. You can soak rice and urad dal separately or you can soak it together. You can soak it for 3 to 4 hours. If you are going to use a blender, you can soak it for 6 to 7 hours. You can soak the methi seeds also if you are going to use them. After soaking the rice and urad dal, wash it nicely 3 to 4 times or until the water becomes clear. Let's do the grinding now. In this video, I am grinding urad dal and rice separately. Let's grind 1 cup of soaked urad dal first. Add 1 or 2 cups of water to this and grind nicely. Grind for 25 to 30 minutes until it becomes nice and fluffy. See how nicely the urad dal when it's grinding is fluffing up. Once it's done grinding, you can remove the batter and transfer to a vessel. Make sure you take a big vessel to store the batter. Because when it ferments, the batter rises up. And if you use a small vessel, the batter will overflow and it will come out of the vessel. So always make sure you have a big vessel to store the batter. Now let's grind 4 cups of soaked rice. Again I want to remind you, please use idli rice for idlis and long grain rice for dosas. Add 2 cups of water and grind. Methi seeds are optional and if you are using them, you can soak it with rice or urad dal and grind them also. After grinding the rice, you can transfer this batter to the container which has urad dal batter. Add some water to the grinder and you can add that water to the batter. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt really helps in fermenting, so we are adding salt now. Nicely mix the batter with your hand. See how nicely the batter is fluffy and good. I usually grind lot of batter and keep it for a week. And it's really helpful for me. Once you have mixed the batter nicely, the batter should have bubbles like this. That means your idlis are going to be super soft and the dosas will be crispy. After mixing, we are going to ferment this overnight. In summer when the weather is hot, I usually keep the batter on the counter to ferment. In winter and when it's cold, you can place this batter in the oven with the light on. See how nicely the batter is fluffed up the next day. It's really good. Nicely mix the batter and you can use this for idli and dosa. Once you are done mixing, you can keep this batter in the fridge. Whenever you want to use it, you can remove it from the fridge and use. You can remove the batter from the fridge and make dosas right away. But for idlis, I recommend that you keep the batter outside for a couple of hours and then make idlis. So your idlis will be soft and fluffy like this. I am hoping that this video will be helpful for you guys to make soft idlis and dosas for your family and enjoy. Thank you.